everybody, I'm Lily. I'm a junior studying econ with a minor in African American Studies, and we're gonna have a day together. Hope you're excited. So I only have one class today, so you guys get to see me. We're gonna go get a COVID test. We're gonna run some errands. It's raining. I'm going to be heading into class in like 10 minutes. It's online, so Zoom University, I'm ready for you. Check out my setup, my notes, coffee, toaster waffles. We're ready to go. But that being said, you guys have any questions for me? Let her rip. And a couple of questions about what econ is like at BU. If you're an aspiring econ major, do it because it's super rewarding. There is math, it's just calc, and if you want to learn how to do it, you'll be great at it. You should do it. That being said, navigating Zoom University is a bit difficult. So recommendations for you, put your phone in another room when you're in class. Just do it. And make friends in your classes. That said, it's really important to balance school and work and play. So here's Graham, you want to talk a little bit about what quarantine hobbies you've been doing?
Well, Lily, I've really turned to art as a great way to de-stress after a long day of school and work. I actually do makeup. That's my creative outlet.
That's so cool, Graham. Is there somewhere people can follow you to see your looks?
Yeah, graham.mua. Follow me on Instagram.
So I'm from Connecticut, and I love how big the city is, and the best part of BU is that you get people from literally everywhere. I'm on my way to get my COVID test, but I stopped by to say hi to some of my friends.
I am one of the co-presidents of Epsilon Eta, which is BU's only professional environmental multi-gender frat on campus. That's not all. I'm also part of the undergraduate women in economics, BU's Emoja, which is our Black Student Union, BU Naturally, which is a curly hair club on campus. Question of the hour, dorm recs. Okay, so I can only speak to where I've lived and where I've been. I have been on Bay State and a Brownstone. I'm currently in South. I've been in Towers, and I visited like every other building, give or take. My favorite, Bay State and South were my faves so far. But for freshmen, live in one of those big dorms. That's like the college experience. As you guys can tell, I'm having kind of fun with this. So I'm going to open up another questions, comments. Make them fun, guys. Like, what do you really want to know? And if you ask a good question, I might answer it. I might. That's such a good question. My favorite green spaces on campus would be the BU Beach, number one, the Epsilonade, which is right on the other side of BU Beach, Boston Commons, and Amory Park in South. Before coming to college, I considered myself extroverted, and when I came to college, I had a lot of social anxieties, and I was really nervous about meeting new people and what people would think of me. Now, college you learn a lot, and a lot of it you just kind of have to live through, but I'll tell you guys, like, life is too short to be living uncomfortable in your own skin. So take those risks, sis. And that's it. That's me, guys. I hope you enjoyed my takeover. You guys can follow me. My @'s right here. If I didn't get to answer your question, you have any more, message me, but have a great rest of your day, guys.